said. The pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. The leader adjusts the sails. Good afternoon, everyone.
Honorable Principal Ma'am, Miss Manisha Antwal, Miss Smita Singh, Quality Assurance Team Head, distinguished parents, and all the staff members to the investiture ceremony of the school for the session 2020-21. Every institution as diverse and vast as ours requires a council to help events go smoothly and when organized. They not only take decisions but also help and guide individuals. Today, carrying this legacy forward, we have the new leaders here who will guide this institution to unreachable heights.
Students of today are the visionaries and torchbearers of tomorrow. They are the trailblazers, the innovators, the leaders, the chosen few who uphold the values that the school stands for. They are the ones who have learned how to follow and then lead and to listen first and then speak. They are the ones who can be trusted to deliver and live up to the expectations people hold being in worthy positions.
They are like the beacon occupying the most prestigious positions, providing direction to their friends and juniors, aiding the smooth governance of the whole school. The older council by tradition will encourage responsibility to the new council by grace. The new council will receive the responsibility with the pledge to preserve the pride of the whole school.
Now, before we commence with the ceremony, let's start with some showers of blessings from the Almighty.
For the academic session 2020 and 21. So we will now begin with the investiture ceremony. Health is an essential part of development, be it physical, mental or emotional. A sound mind requires a sound body. So to promote awareness about the value of good health amongst the students, here we have the health club prefects. And they are Satakshi Srivastav and Vanshika Verma.
Coming up next, we have the Khushi Corner prefects who work hard to help the needy and organize awareness programs.
Khushi Corner is an initiative of DPS LDCO where the students visit the unprivileged and spread smiles by helping them. The prefects for the same are Vartika Singh and Vilina Shailendra Singh.
A new day begins with infinite hopes, endless possibilities, and a true spirit of accomplishing dreams. Similarly, we all gather in a morning assembly to gear up our minds with fresh thoughts and positive vibes. So here we have our assembly prefects who work really hard and incredibly serve in managing the school's assembly. First up, we have Agrani Singh. And up next, we have Sania Khan.
The role of culture is that it's the form through which we as a society reflect on who we are, where we have been, and where we hope to be. And the cultural prefects for this year who will ensure that all performances of dance and music are of the highest standard are Sudiksha Tandon and Aloina Chatterjee.
The art editorial board comes right next with super creative art and craft work ideas. And the prefects for the same are Vrishti Agrawal and Tanu Patel.
The English editorial board, which houses great poets and authors, will be consisting of Anjali Singh and Prisha Agarwal.
The Hindi editorial board, which oversees all Hindi literary activities, will be consisting of Pavni Mishra and Parul Yadav.
The school has 4 houses to maintain a healthy competition amongst the students. The houses are Bluebell, Tulip, Shamrock, and Daffodil. For the Daffodil house, we have Puro Mittal and Pavitra Bharadwaj as the senior prefects, Sanjoli Gupta as the vice captain, and Ananya Bose as the captain.
Coming up next, we have the Shamrock House. The senior prefects are Shreya Pandey and Sanjog Gupta. The Shamrock vice captain is Molly Shri.
And we have Shagun Shukla as the captain.
Moving on, we have the Tulip House. The senior prefects are Yashasvi Pal and Agrima Mishra. The vice captain is Arjia Bose. And finally, the captain is Shreyas Singh.
Last but not the least, we have the Bluebell House. The senior prefects are Ansh Talwar and Cheher. Then is Vanshika Agarwal. And we have Dev Bharadwaj as the captain.
Cultural activities are much essential in the all-round development of students. Cultural captains are keen to be involved in promoting the many cultural activities and events that occur throughout our school year. The cultural vice captain is Janvi Tiwari, who is an aspiring dancer. You would see her on stage on every occasion with her graceful dance moves. The cultural captain is Yashvi Maurya, who is a creative person and has also participated in inter-school cultural programs and has won many prizes also.
Sport is an essential part of a school's curriculum. Sports develop a sense of friendliness among the students and develop their team spirit. It helps students to develop mental and physical toughness. Sports vice captain is Parv Prabhakar, who is a brilliant football player and part of a school's football team.
Our sports captain is Yash Jaiswal, who is an ace football player and has participated in many tournaments and has brought laurels to the school.
Every council needs a leader to keep everyone together and take fair decisions in the interest of each group and member. So, the vice head girl of the school is Sidra Suhail, who is pragmatic, diligent, and conscientious.
For the vice head boy, we have Vishud Jain, who is an efficient leader and works very meticulously to achieve his goal.
And this year's head girl is Radhika Agarwal, with a poised demeanor, humility, and intellect.
And finally, the head boy, we have Kushagra Yadav, who is the MUN Secretary General, who is humble, kind, and courteous and has maintained his academic performance very well.
Now, to take this auspicious occasion forward, may I now please request our respected Principal Ma'am to administer the oath of office to the newly appointed Student Council. Student Council, get ready for the oath. Head girl Radhika Agarwal will repeat the oath on behalf of the council members.
Radhika, first of all, I will congratulate all the office bearers who are there for the Student Council this year. And oath of office is a very important thing. When you take oath of office, you are putting your hand here, all right? It's on your heart. That means that you are going to follow what you are going to say right now. So Radhika is speaking it verbally, but all others should repeat the oath and make sure that each and every word of this oath is upheld by you, right? Okay. We, the office bearers, swear to carry out our duties and shoulder all responsibilities with utmost devotion, following the guidelines of the school authorities. We promise to help our juniors to the best of our abilities in all their endeavors. We vow that we will uphold the loyalty to the tradition and ethos of the school. Jai Hind, Jai DPS. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, council members. Now it's time for some celebration. So coming up next, we have Yashvi Maurya to light up the ceremony with a brilliant dance performance.
Thank you for such an amazing performance. I would now like to invite our school's head girl, Radhika Agarwal, to say a few words.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I feel extremely blessed, honored, and elated for having been given the opportunity to serve this esteemed institution. I would like to express my utmost gratitude to our Honorable Principal Ma'am for seeing the leader in me and assigning me this prestigious position. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my teachers, management, and my fellow student council members for believing that I deserve this. I will do justice to them by proving that I can uphold all my duties with utmost sincerity. Throughout my tenure, I will serve my best to achieve what my esteemed teachers have envisioned. This school has always believed in service before self and has raised all of us with countless morals. I will reflect these values in my decisions and will strive to instill them in my team. Today, all of you have shown your faith in me, and it is my responsibility to assure and strengthen this belief. By cooperating with everyone present here, I will take our legacy forward, while at the same time bring necessary reforms for the betterment of everyone. I will be devoted to my duties in any circumstance to become the head girl this esteemed institution deserves. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika. Now, I would like to call upon the recently appointed head boy to express his thoughts.
Good afternoon to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my fellow council members. I am jubilant and overjoyed for attaining this opportunity to address one and all present here. Being in a position so prestigious, I hope I can do justice to. I would like to take this occasion to thank Principal Ma'am for having faith in me and my team and giving us this golden opportunity. I would also like to express my gratitude towards all the respected teachers who built this council from ground up, the management for carrying the burdens of the endeavors that helped us reach here, and all my close friends and acquaintances for supporting me to get to this stage. Although the past few months have deprived us of the very benefit of communication, although the past few months have put forward a number of new challenges, although the past few months have dragged us into unorthodox conditions, we must remember that nothing ordinary ever goes in the books of history. Only teamwork and collaboration can overcome these challenges. And these challenges are the only thing that can give rise to new opportunities. We will make sure that we can make the best out of these opportunities. And with this, I, Kushagra Yadav, would like to congratulate all my fellow council members in anticipation of diligence for their duties and responsibilities. Thank you.
Thank you, Kushagra. I would now like to request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to please enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
Greetings of the day to all present. Warm welcome to all the parents who are watching us live and all others who joined us to witness this investiture ceremony. We gathered today to appoint a new student council for the session 2021. I congratulate all the students who are present here to receive an appointment. Rather, you've already received it. Talking about the investiture ceremony, I feel entering the realm of student leadership is both a challenge and an honor. As student leaders, the experience that you people gain is going to go a long way in your future leadership roles and to shape you up as good leaders. It is not easy to get selected for council membership. There's a lot of hard work that all of you know that has gone behind. That is why you people are here today on this platform. And it's not easy to handle the council duties as well. And in this year, the situation created by pandemic, it will be even more challenging for you people to take up the council duties. Maintaining coordination with fellow students, teachers, and authorities is not going to be easy. It's going to be difficult. But I know you belong to a technology smart generation and you will handle it more beautifully than we do. They say that there is no good friend and no bad enemy. While you take over your charge, my message to you is that in a leadership role, integrity is the most important value that you need to uphold. I'm sure you all will take up your duties with diligence and honesty. We'll soon be holding a council meeting online with all of you to discuss how we can take things forward. My heartiest congratulations to you students and to your parents as well. It is their hard work which shows in the achievements of what you people have. My best wishes to all of you for an impactful tenure. May you always shine and excel, and may we do good work together for this 1 year. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Every journey comes to an end, and every path does stop somewhere.
We come to an end of today's investiture ceremony. I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am for her support and guidance, the parents for taking out time from the busy schedule and attending the event, the teachers for the valuable input, all the council members, and last but not the least, the IT department for taking care of the technical aspects. Stay safe, take care, and have a nice day ahead.